In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or add members in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, it's essential to know how to seamlessly change your team's roster to accommodate new members or say goodbye to those who have moved on. Let's dive right into the straightforward process of managing team members in Microsoft Teams, ensuring that your team runs as efficiently as possible. First, let's talk about adding members to your team. Start by opening the Microsoft Teams app on your desktop or navigating to it via your web browser. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side where you'll find a panel that features all your teams and channels. To add members to a team, identify the specific team that you'd like to update. Hover over the team name and you'll see a few options pop up. Click on the More Options button, which usually looks like 3 horizontal dots. This will bring up a menu with several options. Find the option labeled Add Member and give it a click. From here, you will see a search box where you can enter names or email addresses of the people you wish to add. As you type, suggestions from your organization will appear if they're already registered, making it easier to find the right person. Simply click on their name to add them. If they are not already in the system, you need their email addresses to send them an invitation. Once you've selected everyone you want to include, click Add. You will also notice an option to assign roles. You can choose to make them either a member or an owner right away. When you are ready, click Close, and your new team members will be added, ready to collaborate. Now, let's focus on removing members. This might be necessary if someone leaves your organization or changes roles. Once again, go to the team where you'd like to make changes. Hover over the team name and click on More Options, the same 3 dots, and then select Manage Team. A new screen will appear showing all current members. Scroll down to find the member you wish to remove. Next to the name, you'll see a little X icon. Simply click on it to remove that person from your team. Before you do, make sure you have any important information documented in case it's needed later. Once removed, the individual will no longer have access to team communications and files associated with that particular team. So there you have it, adding and removing members in Microsoft Teams is as simple as that. By maintaining an accurate roster, you ensure your team is aligned and ready to accomplish all goals efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy team managing!